It was very nice connecting flight from Kolkata via Guwahati to Tezpur. It was nice. It will be more better if it gets more than weekly. Then if it gets continuous, then it will be very nice.
In Tezpur, we all know that the flights are operational for only 3 days. So would you expect that this day duration should be extended to like 6 days at least?
Definitely, because whenever we want to catch flight for anywhere, we have to catch it from Guwahati. And if we take our reservation or if we book our flight from Tezpur, it is not certain that the flight will go from here or not. It is not certain. That is why we have to book it from Guwahati.
So, welcome to Tezpur Bus. We have felt the confusions and curiosities that has been going around in the Tezpur public regarding the facilities available at the Tezpur airport, the operations of flights to and fro Tezpur. And on this occasion, we have with us the director of the Tezpur airport, Shri R.N. Singh, who has a very interesting bio profile. He is born in Chennai. He has been, where sir? Rajasthan. And then he has settled at Bengaluru before coming to Tezpur. Right sir? So sir, would like to know from you, are all the requisite facilities that are required for a like operational airport, are all the facilities provided in this airport as well sir?
Yes, it is available. Basically, this is a defense airfield. However, for commercial operation, we have a totally established setup at Tezpur airport for simultaneous operation of one Airbus 320 and two ATR 72 flights at Tezpur airport with required complete infrastructure with a capacity to handle 0.26 million per annum. Presently, it is 0.01 million, that is say around 10,000 passengers using this airport in a year maximum. This is very much underutilized terminal, though this has got a very huge potential to operate on an average 700 passengers per day this can operate, whereas we have an average of around 20-25 passengers per day.
Sir, since the average is very low, as you said, it's like underutilized. So are there any recommendations that you would like to make for fulfilling the parameters of making this airport successful, more and more successful, sir?
In fact, we have been trying for so many years, and Government of India also through UDAN scheme has been trying to promote, and through UDAN scheme 4 airlines have taken up the route. However, for some unforeseen reasons they have not operated. Recently under UDAN 4, 2 airlines have been awarded to commence operations. One is Pawan Hans helicopter service from Tezpur, Guwahati, Tezpur, Jorat and Dibrugarh. Also one Flybig Charters Airlines to operate from Tezpur to Aizawl. However, the demand from this place is mainly to Calcutta and Delhi, for which we are approaching Air India as well. Though we have approached all the other scheduled and non-scheduled airlines, but we are yet to see the breakthrough in this. Hope with this last 12 years, Tezpurites have been deprived of air connectivity, depending mostly from Guwahati only. So in this aspect, we are trying our best to do something for the Tezpurites in the years to come.
Thank you so much. So we also have with us the station master of the Tezpur airport, Mr. Abu Tayyab sir. So sir, it's a pleasure to meet you. And sir, I would like to ask you, what are the operations of the flights in Tezpur, sir, Tezpur airport?
At present, existing operation is thrice a week. That flight is coming from Kolkata by Guwahati, and it is arrival time at 11 o'clock, and departure from here from Tezpur to Guwahati and Guwahati to Kolkata is 11:40. So it's a thrice a week on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So this is existing operation, and minimum we have that before lockdown. So we have around more than 50 plus passengers traveling from here, and after post lockdown, that this now is due to COVID-19 that passenger is load is down. So now this is increasing. Its average is 30 passengers traveling on that thrice a week, and the main things is a minimum low fare that that from starting fare from here to Kolkata is only 37.48 rupees from Tezpur to Kolkata.
That's even less than if someone hire a car and go to like from Guwahati and then take a flight to Kolkata.
Yes, exactly. That, and from this is a very chances you can see that our fare is from Tezpur to Guwahati is only 2,500 rupees. So it's a minimum road. If you go on one passenger for surface to Guwahati, it will require to 3,000 to 4,000 rupees for. So it's a very low cost, and it's a starting fare is very low. And we are trying to in further, that we are giving the proposal to our airlines that further then we can go starting from here to Silchar also, and also yes, our management will decide that what operation that what sector they will do.
Which airline is operational at Tezpur Airport?
It's now is a under Air India subsidiary Alliance Air is operating is ATR 72 airlines aircraft, and is a 70-seater aircraft. 70-seater, yes.
Sir, is there any recommendation that you want to make, like which more places should you add up, like where the flight should go from Tezpur to and other places, like the connectivity?
As that director, Airport Authority of India, the director has already recommended that he wants for direct from here to Kolkata. There's a daily flight from here to Kolkata daily. So he was already recommended to our headquarter also, and what headquarter will decide. And I also personally just recommended from here to Silchar also, that earlier in 2010 and 2011 that from Kolkata to Silchar to that Tezpur, that is also big load, and passengers load is also good. So I have recommended in my headquarters that that Silchar sector also add on for this sector also. There is no problem for here as per this present existing manpower and all these things we can do this.
I'd like to add here that normally airlines, they identify the potential and approach the respective airport. Incidentally, at Tezpur, it is not widely known among all the Tezpurites or surrounding districts. This can cater to nearby surrounded 6 districts, starting with Biswanath Charali and Nagaon, Golaghat, Udalgiri, Dirang. These Karbi Along, all these districts, this is a central place. The population is approximately 1.5 crore population this can cater, and roughly around 15 to 20% of Guwahati traffic. It can go down once if they start using this. So I request passengers to make use of this civil terminal. So in a way, if the occupancy in the present Alliance Air aircraft increases substantially, obviously the airlines would think of operating the second aircraft. This is one way of attracting the airlines voluntarily. So that we could not see for so many years, rather more than a decade. This can open up a new chapter in the way of air connectivity from Tezpur, and this will in a large way facilitate air passengers to seamlessly travel from Tezpur.
And even while we speak about tourism of Tezpur, like there are many historic places in Tezpur, and also there are many beautiful sites near Tezpur. This airport can also facilitate tourism, and it can boost tourism actually.
In a remote place like this, air taxi can be thought of, and air ambulance can be thought of, so that this can increase the medical facilities for underprivileged as well as those who are not keeping sound health. So these facilities can boost the connectivity and the facility for the Tezpurites.
So to sum up, sir, there is only one flight from Tezpur right now, right?
Yes, at existing operation, we are giving this onward connection also. Suppose that the passenger is going to Tezpur to Guwahati, and Guwahati to onward having Delhi connection also. We have a good connection from Delhi, Guwahati to Delhi. It's evening 7:30 departure. So usually passenger is booked because this is Air Force base and defense base. So mostly all North Indian passengers are just booked the ticket from here to Tezpur to Guwahati and Guwahati to Delhi. Same like this Tezpur to Guwahati, Calcutta, and Tezpur to Calcutta to onward also we have the Bangalore, Chennai, and onward connections who are in existing operation who are giving the connection to the passenger also.
To our viewers, I would like to say that Tezpur Airport is fully operational. As of now, you can visit to Kolkata without any hassle, and with all your support, hopefully one day it can be possible, like more and more flights add up to this place, and hopefully our connectivity with the other places also get systematic. So thank you so much.
मैं ये बेसिकली ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज 15 साल से ज़्यादा ही हो गए हैं कि हम लोग चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स से बराबर ये कोशिश में लगे हुए हैं कि तेजपुर से एयर कनेक्टिविटी और नंबर ऑफ फ्लाइट्स यहाँ से बढ़े। एंड राइट फ्रॉम पिछले 4-5 सालों से तो हम लोग ने बहुत ज़्यादा ही कोशिश की है रिगार्डिंग कि यहाँ पर फ्लाइट के फ्रीक्वेंसीज बढ़े टू डिफरेंट डेस्टिनेशंस। कलकत्ता की हम लोग को रेगुलर फ़्लाइट्स की दरकार है, जो हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर ऑक्यूपेंसी डेफिनेटली है, यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल है जो 7 दिन की कर दी जाए। और फ्लाइट दिल्ली के लिए एटलीस्ट वंस इन ए वीक तो हम डिमांड कर ही रहे हैं, पर ट्वाइस इन ए वीक भी हो जाए तो आई एम श्योर कि आपको ऑक्यूपेंसी और पैसेंजर्स ज़रूर मिलेंगे। चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स आज पिछले 5 साल से हम लोग, हमारी कमेटी इसमें काम कर रही है। हम लोग इसकी एक कम्प्लीटली एक सर्वे भी बनाए हैं अराउंड 30 to 35 लीडिंग बॉडीज़ को लेके। उसके बाद में हम टूरिज़्म की बात करते हैं, काजीरंगा इज़ वन वर्ड जो बहुत बड़ा अपने आप में टूरिज़्म पोटेंशियल है। उसके बाद में हम जब एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं, वी हैव गॉट द तेजपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, वी हैव गॉट असम वैली स्कूल, वी हैव गॉट लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस हियर, देन वी हैव गॉट ए वेरी बिग मेडिकल बेस हियर इन द नेम ऑफ तेजपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज। ये सब बिग हाउसेस हैं। तेजपुर हैज़ बीन वेल सपोर्टिव बाई 6 to 7 districts, taking into account Arunachal and Dhemaji district and Sonitpur and Darang and then up to Udalguri. So we are sure up to Udalguri we can have the passengers. ठीक है। Then हमारा खुद का जो चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स है, वी आर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 550+ मेंबर्स, जो काफ़ी बड़ा बिजनेस बेस है यहाँ पर। हम लोग ने कई बार ये अपने कोशिश में ये कहा है कि हम लोग आपको काफ़ी अच्छी ऑक्यूपेंसी दे सकते हैं, अच्छे कस्टमर्स दे सकते हैं आपको, प्रोवाइडेड आपकी फ़्लाइट्स रेगुलर हो, आपकी फ़्लाइट्स टाइमली हो, अच्छी प्राइसिंग हो। आप यहाँ पर जब तक दिखाएंगे नहीं तब तक आपको पैसेंजर नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा। दिस एयरपोर्ट इन द कमिंग टाइम विल गिव यू द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट रिटर्न, प्रोवाइडेड टेकिंग इनटू अकाउंट ऑल द फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल ओवर हियर। I can see with the explanation given by अपने RN सिंह साहब डायरेक्टर here, अबू स्टेशन मैनेजर and my team people, we have been seeing कि यहाँ कुछ बाकी नहीं है, यहाँ सारे फैसिलिटीज़ रेडी है। कार्गो की बात करते हैं तो अच्छे खासे कार्गो आ सकते हैं। फ्लाइट्स ये बताते हैं कि इनके रिकॉर्ड के हिसाब से they can take care of 2 Boeing in a day, 2 Airbus in a day. And plus we have got a very good clearance and a very supportive clearance from the Air Force people also. So I appeal to the highest officers in this field कि क्या चीज़ है जो इस चीज़ को आगे बढ़ने के लिए रोक रही है। We are ready to meet with any of the people. We are ready with open hands to invite all the participants. जो भी private air operators है to please come and have a feel of it. और यहाँ पर आप कम से कम 6 महीना फ्लाई करके देखिए। We are there to support you in every respect. That is all. And ये हमारा कमिटमेंट पहले भी था और आज भी है। Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.